Welcome to QiYoga with LuChin. A couple of time-tested self-care practices are detox the gallbladder meridian in the morning and detox the liver meridian at night. In this video, I will guide you through a evening detox routine. Now let's get started. When the night comes, before you go to sleep, you can be sitting on your bed or on a mat. Perform this evening detox by extending the legs out wide. It doesn't have to be super wide, just wherever that is comfortable. And the liver meridian starts from between the big toe and the second toe, come along the top of the foot, and come to the ankle, and then go along the inside of the legs. Of course, it's on both sides, and it travels from here up to the rib cage area. For this detox routine, we're basically working on the leg portion of the meridians. There are a couple of different ways of doing it. The first one is to make a loose fist to drum detox the liver meridian. From the hip crease along the inside of the legs and drum all the way beyond your knee joints. We would do 300 times. You want to be firm, as the muscles on the upper leg are quite dense. We want the energy to go into the meridians or the meridian points instead of being bounced back out again. You can use the palm side of the fist or the pinky side to do the drumming. Drum detox for 300 times seems a lot, but it only takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Another way is to use your thumbs to clear this liver meridian along the inside of the legs. First, apply lotion. Starting from the groin, have the thumbs touch each other, and we're going to push along the meridian. You can reach as far as the body allows, as long as it's beyond the knee, that's okay. We always start from the left side, as that is the direction of the body growth and nourishment. Try to press and push as firm as you can. You will notice the change of color on the skin. It is necessary to be this firm. You will do about 100 times on one leg. And then switch to the right side. The liver is considered one of the primary organs in traditional Chinese medicine. It is called the chief of staff of the general. Your liver represents the human body's primary filtration system, converting toxins into waste products, cleanses your blood, metabolizing nutrients to provide the body with some of its most important proteins. When we do this detox exercise, we help clear liver qi stagnation, help qi to move more smoothly through the meridians. This helps remove dampness in the body, therefore improve digestive health. And anger is associated with the liver. This helps bring down the liver heat, calms anger. You will find more emotional balance. And this is great for insomnia. The drum detox and using your thumbs to clear the liver meridian are the two typical way of perform the self-care routine. The other day I came up with this approach. I found this very helpful. So apply lotion. You can do this when you're laying down on your pillow, on your bed. So we're working on the left leg. I will place the heel of the right foot as close to the hip crease as possible, and then use the heel to press down. You can use the sole of the foot, cover the lower leg and the ankle, the big toe, go into the webbing between the big toe and the second toe of the bottom foot. If you have difficulty starting from the groin or the hip crease, that is okay. Just place the heel somewhere on your inner thigh. As there's a lot more strength with the foot, so this is very effective. Go slow, very firm. The heel is digging into the flush along the inside of the leg, and then you kind of switching to using the sole of the foot to press down along the shin bone, the inner side of the leg, and the big toe goes into the webbing between the first and the second toes. That is where the liver meridian starts. You could also use your pinky toe to go through the webbing. I found this is quite effortless. To have the foot to do the work. Since the foot is stronger, stimulates deeper, so I think 50 slow repetitions would give a nice and thorough stimulation to the liver meridian. And now we'll switch to the right side. Use the heel to press downward. Allow the movement to be slow, thorough, and silky. And close your eyes. Take detoxifying breaths. Feeling this self-nourishment as you move your foot along the bottom leg. Very calming. It will help you sleep better. I will let you finish the rest on your own for total 50 times. Friends, this is our evening detox routine. Let me know which one of the 3 methods you like the most. Try to do it every day. You will notice the difference. If you enjoyed this practice, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take good care of yourself.